In today's video, we're going to pair Amazon referral links with Instagram Reels and TikTok's viral nature to see what kind of results we can get. Alright, for those who might not know what Amazon referral links are all about, I'll describe it from the consumer's point of view. So when you're scrolling down Amazon and you're looking for something to buy, the price that you see of that product is not exclusively for that product because obviously it has to get shipped to your door and then there's fees on the back end of things. And Amazon strategically did this so the price that you see is the price that you pay, excluding taxes. Since I'm on both sides here, I also sell on Amazon. I can show you the back door and how the fee structure goes. So if you're selling Amazon FBA, there's gonna be a pick, pack, and ship fee, and there's gonna be a designated fee for referrals. And every product on Amazon has a designated amount set aside for just the referral fee. So basically, when you hop on Amazon all by yourself and you purchase something, someone misses out on making money off of that. And Amazon basically keeps that referral fee. The seller doesn't even get a higher amount or anything like that. With that being said, that's the fee that we're going to be trying to claim a percentage of. That's what we're going to do. We're not going to be selling anything. We're just referring people to click on the link and end up purchasing something, and we get a commission off of it. By far, out of all the side hustles that I did, this is probably one of my favorites because you put the legwork up in the beginning and you just sit back and let the links do its work. I don't know if that even makes sense. But essentially, you get a passive income stream, and it even gets better. Amazon has this grace period where if a customer clicks on your link, they have 24 hours. They put anything else in their shopping cart, you also get a commission off that. It doesn't have to be the product that led them to go onto Amazon's website, but it could be anything in those next 24 hours. I don't know any other referral program that does this. The way I know this is when I had my Amazon links up, past tense had because Amazon took my account down, but I don't want to talk about that. I had my links set up for a bunch of car accessories for my Infinity theme page, and you can see what people purchased and how much you made off of it. And somebody purchased like an air purifier for their house that was like upwards of $100, and I made like $5 off of it. So I'm excited to get my links up. If this totally flops, I'm still glad that I got my links back up and I can start making passive income again. And the product that we're going to be making TikToks and Reels are of this carpet that I found on Amazon for my car. It's like a diamond print carpet. And I've seen other people drop shipping this for like $200, and I found it on Amazon for $130. It has the Infinity logo and everything on it. I can definitely see this as a winning product, and it just goes perfectly into my Instagram theme page that I have around Infinity cars. So it's not even gonna look like I'm marketing something. You just gotta blend right in, which is amazing. All right, guys, so I finished recording the content. Now the next step is to upload it to the computer and edit it in Adobe. I'm pretty excited because I just ran the numbers. My Reels usually do like high 1,000 to 6,000 views. With some quick math, I actually wrote it down right here. If I get 3,000 views on one video with 1% conversion rate, which would be 30 people clicking onto the link and purchasing, that would gross $3,900 in revenue to Amazon. At the current commission percentage for car accessories, you can say, is 4.5%. So 4.5% of that is $175. I don't know if we're gonna get that, but that seems pretty likely, just a 1% conversion rate. So let's get into it.
OG King.
All right, guys. So it's been a few days and the results are in. In the first 3 days on TikTok, we got 500 views, which is really good, and I'll get to it later. It was on a brand new account. And on my Instagram theme page, we got about 3,500 views. So at that time, a total of 4,000 views and 116 clicks, not counting the first day that I put the link up and I didn't put any ads up. We got 4 clicks. So that actually comes out to a 3% conversion rate, and the total that we made off all that was 58 cents.
Okay.
58 cents is actually really low, and I have an idea why. It has the Infinity logo and everything on it. And looking back at it, I niched down way too much. I mean, having a niche is good enough, but who's gonna buy an Infiniti logo carpet if they have a Nissan or a Toyota and stuff like that? So even though my page is all for Infiniti cars, the whole point of doing Reels and TikToks is to reach a wider audience. So definitely next time I'm going to do this, I'm going to have a more generic item, maybe like a dash cam or something like that. And then also have more options. When I was doing this previously, I had multiple links up for different parts, and they were actually niche parts just for Infiniti Q50s. When I was doing affiliate links a while ago, in the first 2 weeks, I probably generated $400 in revenue, which equated to $11 in commissions, which still seems not like a lot, but in the finance world, that is a lot in passive income, because if you would invest your money in the most safest way, which is a savings account, a high interest yielding, right now the highest interest rate is about 0.5% APY. And if you reverse engineer the math on that to make $11 in passive income in 2 weeks, you would have to have around $55,000 in the savings account to be getting roughly $22, $24 a month in pure interest, FDIC insured, basically the safest route you can go with investing. But with the 58 cents, I think the reason why our conversion rate was really low initially, I got the conversion rates wrong. I thought we would get 1%, but there's actually 2 steps to that. The first is how many people click on it, and then there's a second conversion rate on how many people actually purchase. So all in all, I would say this is still a pretty good passive income if you do it correctly. Like, I was able to get these results and I don't even have 2,000 subscribers. Just don't get your account shut down. Amazon's very strict on that. So I'll leave a video down in the description on things to watch out for. But if I would have to pick where I would want to advertise, I would definitely choose TikTok, because we had to make a brand new account. I put 2 videos up before I put the ad, and they got like 500 views. And previously I used TikTok just for memes on another account. And this shows the power of having a certain audience, because the way the TikTok algorithm works is they push it out to your followers first. If that content does good with them, it'll keep pushing it out further. With my previous page that I had on TikTok, I was just posting memes and I didn't get more than 200 views. Right now, one of my videos, my 4th video, I believe, on TikTok already has more than 1,000 views. Compared to the effort that I put into my building up my Instagram account and TikTok, it just doesn't compare on the performance you can get from TikTok. The only thing that sucks is on a TikTok account, you can't put a link in your bio unless you have 1,000 followers or you have a business account. And if you have a business account, you can't use a lot of the trendy music. But one way to go around that is just to disable your business account, upload the TikTok with music that you want, and then just go back to a business account and the TikTok is still there. I'm not sure if it still ranks in that sound page, but it still keeps the sound. So if you are considering doing this, definitely get a link tree, because Instagram, as many of you might know, only allows 1 link. A link tree allows you to have multiple links from 1 link. And then from there, I noticed nobody's really talking about this, but it's absolutely essential to have deep linking, because Instagram is a mobile app, and if someone clicks on an Amazon link, it'll pop up in the Instagram browser, and from there there's going to be a lot of friction between purchase, because the customer is going to have to sign into their Amazon account. They might not know their password, so they might just close out the Instagram app and go back to the Amazon app and find the product, and you won't make commission. So what deep linking does is it jumps the Amazon link to open in your Amazon app. So when somebody clicks on your link, it'll open up their Amazon app. And if they don't have an Amazon app, then it'll reroute it to open up in Instagram's browser. But definitely stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I got a lot of exciting plans coming up for this Instagram page. The next thing I'm going to be doing is drop shipping merch, which I'm extremely excited for. And since you made it this far in the video, check out the link in the description where I have exclusive links to get free stocks if you're interested.